Well, hello, and thank you for your time here. You've asked me to help you get involved with looking at how Khan Academy can work to support a blended math environment in the K through 6 school here that we have. And I just wanted to quickly make sure you understood the focus of this presentation that you'll be going through on your own. Um, so I said it was important to me that we talked about looking at intercal and the blended learning environment and the importance of intercal. And so this is a real important piece right here. You can look at this in your own, but I just think that pay close attention to what you see here. I think this does a real good job of outlining the importance of the intercal standards in a blended environment. And then for you here, I've created the relevant intercal standards that were important to are integrating or looking to develop this blended learning in our math curriculum at school. So you will be able to go through this slideshow or Prezi using the arrow keys. You can also click on anything you want to click on. It is set up in a bit of an order. So please go through this. Pay close attention to the standards. They're really important to making sure that we as teachers are providing our curriculum and our learning opportunities online in the best and a most appropriate way. So hope you enjoy this, and I'll check back with you in a little bit later.